Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. The reason why I have this on my head is because I'm going to be doing a cooking video. But I don't have the equipment of a Tasties video, so I'm going to be recording with this GoPro on my head. Yes. So we're going to be making sweet potato noodles with turkey meatballs and a almond butter sauce. Oh, also, welcome to my new kitchen. Yes. Alright, so I have the recipe here on my computer. I'm gonna try making that. That's the goal here. Try making that. Alright, so let's get the ingredients for the turkey meatballs. Okay, so obviously, number one ingredient, turkey. Okay, we're gonna need a slice of bread, some spinach, half an onion, and I think that's it. I don't remember if there's anything else. Just kidding. I need an egg. This is half and half. This is nothing sketchy. It's just half and half in a cup. Okay, now I think I have everything. Okay, so unlike my last cooking video, the cauliflower pizza, this is my first time making this. So, all live reactions. The meatballs in a large bowl. Add bread and milk. Milk? I didn't get milk. Wait, what? I'm turning on the GoPro. Okay. Oh, this is weird. Alright. So, sorry if this is really shaky, but I'm gonna get my bread. Okay, we're just gonna, I guess this is what I do. I've never really made meatballs before, and I don't know why this recipe needs a slice of bread. Just one. I really don't get it. I'm gonna put that here. 3 tablespoons of half and half. The reason this is in this cup is because I got half and half from work. Let sit for 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes. Alright, so while we're waiting for that bread and half to do whatever it needs to do, I'm gonna start chopping up the things I need for the meatballs. Okay, so let's chop up some garlic. It's like a large clove. Okay, 2 cloves of garlic added to the bowl. Add turkey, 1 pound ground turkey. This is 1.2 pounds. Just gonna plop that in there. Yep, okay. What else do we need to add? 1 egg. 1 egg. Oh, let's see if I can crack this with one hand. Hire me tasty. Half an onion finely chopped. See, every time I chop onions, I really don't get teary-eyed. I really don't know why. Probably because I have no soul. Just kidding. We're also gonna need half a cup of finely chopped spinach. Okay, so I've got half my cup. Do I measure it before I chop it or after I chop it? After I chop it? Well, the recipe said it needed canola oil. I only have vegetable oil. I think that should be fine. I think it'll be fine. Hopefully. Pepper. Half a teaspoon of pepper. It's there. And 1 teaspoon of salt. a fourth cup of canola oil, but I only have vegetables. Okay, I think that's it. I forgot to preheat the oven. Oh, I have to preheat the oven to 400. Okay, all right, hold on, I'll be right back. Mix and do not overmix. How do I know if it's overmixed? Oh man, my spinach isn't finely chopped enough. My skills of doing this parchment paper, 0 out of 10. Ew. Is this supposed to be this squishy? I don't think it's supposed to be that squishy. That's so squishy. Is this bite size? Ew. Oh my god, cooking ASMR. Blech. Oh my god, that should be my next video. Do you hear this? Everything is good to go. We're gonna put these in the oven. Oh my god, these are not bite size at all. Okay, how long did I put this in for? The paper's burning. Make sure your parchment paper is the same size. My skills of doing this parchment paper, 0 out of 10. Unless this happens. Just gonna cut these off. Okay, so while we're waiting for the meatballs, we're gonna make the pasta. Okay, for this, all I need is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Make the pasta. With a veggie peeler, peel thin strips of sweet potato. To make the noodles, make sure you're turning the sweet potato after each peel. Why is it so hard to peel? The crevices, like look at this angle. Like what? How do I, like what? How do I, like what? How do I, getting in there? Difficult. Oop. I feel like I've been peeling this freaking potato for hours. Okay, meatballs are done. Okay, okay. Oh my god. They're so ugly. They look gross. So it says in a cast iron, heat up oil, working in batches, brown the meatballs on all sides, about 4 to 6 minutes, remove to the sheet and tray, finish cooking in the oven for another 10 minutes. Oh. Wait, what? Was I supposed to heat in a cast iron first? No, man. There. Get this one. Slide it in. There. Okay. How long did I put this in? Okay, so I read the instruction wrong. Finish cooking in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. So I skipped that part and I just did the oven part. So we're just gonna work backwards and hopefully, oh my freaking goodness. I wasn't supposed to put the oil in the meatballs. I was supposed to put the oil in the pan.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Thank you. Since there's oil in here already, I'm not gonna put oil here. Even if the recipe said I was supposed to, but I already put it in here. I think it's fine. These are looking a little bit better. It's trying to actually look like meatballs this time. Oh my god, burnt. Oh my god, slow down. Grab the wall. Look like you're trying to make your ass fall off. So I'm gonna start getting all these noodles into a pot. And we're gonna boil them, just like regular pasta. Let's add the sweet potato noodles. Ooh, I don't think oh my gosh, this is so hot. Sorry for all the sound effects. My noodles were overflowing. Oh, done. And pour these in here. Let that strain. Whew. We're gonna add a half a cup of almond butter. Oh my god, this is so thick. Oh my god, this is a lot. Almond butter is expensive, man. Gosh, that's so much. It's like freaking gold. This thing cost me like $5. That's a lot for peanut butter. That's a lot. So we're gonna put the sauce. Ooh, okay. Okay, peanut sauce, hot water. What the freak? Okay, so the recipe says half cup to 1 cup. What does that mean? I guess I'll start with half. Okay, this is hot water. You can tell. Look at the steam. Jesus! Was that supposed to happen? Well, I guess that makes sense. Hot water, hot pan. Ew, is this supposed to be sauce? Okay. Maybe. Okay. Jalapenos, got it. Let me add my jalapenos. Oh my gosh, is this gonna be spicy? Probably. Garlic powder? Garlic powder! Oh, not garlic salt? Oh, well, I don't know if I have that. So I don't have garlic powder, but I have garlic. I think that'll be fine, right? Garlic. Why am I saying it like that? This might even taste better, you know, real garlic. Why settle for powder when you have the real stuff? Right? Right? So instead of 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, I've got 1 teaspoon of garlic. Lemon juice, 1 lemon. What if the seeds fall in? What do I do with the seeds? I forgot we had this. Here's a lemon squeezer. Let me put this in here. Oh my god, the lemon is too large. Oh, I was putting in the lime one. I'm so dumb. This is the lemon one. To assemble, toss in pasta just to warm up. Plate it, top with meatballs. Okay, so we're gonna toss the pasta in here. Ew, this looks disgusting. This looks so nasty. I think I cooked my pasta a little too long. The meatball to noodles ratio right now is not that great, but we're gonna garnish this. Bam! Oh my god, that's so much. Okay, you know what? It honestly doesn't look that bad. Okay, so this is what they're supposed to look like, and this is how they turned up. You know, I'm not even mad. So we're just gonna taste everything all together. So we're gonna get some of the noodles. Now let's try it with the meatball. My meatballs are still a little bit squishy. That's fine. Alright, so thank you again for watching this video. All 30 of you, unless there's less of you then. Please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. But yes, thank you for watching this horrible video of me. But this is it. That's sweet potato turkey meatballs. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this to my roommate and see if they want to try it.
Very good.
Thanks.
Very good.
Thanks.